I was working in New York City in finance, had thought a lot about, what do I want to do with my life and where do I want to go with my next steps. And, I had a few ideas, but the financial sort of overhead of living in New York City made a lot of them not feasible, pretty much impossible actually. I went down this sort of mobile living path, and it probably dropped my overhead by 80%.
Mine was more intended for recreation outside of my job, which was a full-time teacher. And I used a van to pursue my favorite activities, which were skiing and biking.
Your living, your transportation, and your utilities are just bundled into one package. Now all of a sudden it made these dreams actually feasible and possible to do. Now it allowed me to travel across the country. It allowed me to see friends, family, network, fundraise, all these things I needed to do for the business and for my personal life.
I looked at different companies to go with to build a van for me, but as a teacher it was very cost prohibitive, so it all leaned towards building my own. That's where Dave came to the picture. He helped with that first van.
My name is Dave Ramsey. We are currently sitting in one of our vans in Gypsum, Colorado. I am the founder, CEO of Dave and Matt Vans.
My name is Matt Felser. I'm the co-founder of Dave and Matt Vans. The first van that was intended for me, and we built one, sold it, built another, sold it, and Dave and Matt Vans kind of came organically from that.
Both of us basically saw this huge need for an affordable option while still keeping quality high. Every decision we've made has basically been, how can we make this better? How can we build more of them, but not, essentially increase the price for our customers?
What we build is everything you need and nothing you don't, right? It gets you on the road. It is a reliable, beautiful package, but it leaves a lot of customization open to our client base. And we know each one comes at this vehicle with a different lifestyle pursuit.
The actual build that we do really is an open floor plan. It's an open canvas, a blank canvas for people to use the vehicle to fit their lifestyle. So we're not, predetermining the space, we're not predetermining the use. We leave it so that you can make it your own, that you can add things, you can, design it in a way that it fits your lifestyle.
When it comes to the Ram ProMaster, there were a lot of features that jumped out to us originally as an ideal fit for our Dave and Matt Vans conversions. The big one was the reliable engine.
The Ram is built with front-wheel drive. So where we are in the mountains here in Colorado, honestly the majority of the United States in the winter, you're going to be dealing with snow, you're going to be dealing with ice.
It also provided the turning radius that allows you to park these comfortably in both your local grocery store parking lot as well as an open trailhead. And then the last piece of it was the affordable package that they're able to provide. We have focused on providing the lifestyle that van life provided Dave and I originally with everyone. And with that mission statement, we need to be affordable, we need to be accessible, and we need to be diverse. We say every van starts with a story, and obviously that story is that customer story, and we are just a part of that journey. And so whatever that customer brings to the table, our van allows them to pursue that. Van life is a running series of hundreds of things that to me would be adventure, skiing, biking, the outdoors. To Dave, it's financial freedom, it's affordable housing, it's business pursuits. And then now having almost 150 customers, they have added to that list exponentially.
You can take it to your own level and you can fit it to your own lifestyle, and we want that to happen. We want this to be that space that you can make your own.